বাদিনী শাহানা বেগম হাজির।
In Bangladesh, the formal justice system is under tremendous pressure. Huge caseloads and a vastly overstretched human resources mean a backlog of cases that at present stands at nearly 2.6 million. For many of the country's poor, particularly rural people and those from vulnerable groups, the situation is compounded by prohibited costs of legal proceedings and a lack of knowledge that severely restricts access to formal justice mechanisms. In spite of such obstacles, things here are moving forward. The government of Bangladesh, with financial support from the European Union and technical assistance from UNDP, has initiated a project that is reactivating almost 351 rural village courts and bringing fair, accountable, and accessible justice to the local level. The project is working through Union Parishads, the lowest tier of local government in Bangladesh, and is developing the capacity of the courts and their officials to deliver justice results in rural areas. The Village Court Act of 2006, subsequently amended on 2013, laid out the jurisdiction, composition, and structure of the reactivated courts. They are composed of 5 members juris, headed by the Union Parishad chairman, and made up of a mix of local community members and elected officials, and they are empowered to hear both criminal and civil cases worth up to 75,000 taka, or approximately $960. While they operate according to modern principles of justice, village courts do build upon a long-standing tradition of local justice in Bangladesh. For centuries, shalish, a principle of mediation, has been a common element of local life, and a relatively effective way of resolving local disputes. Yet, shalish does not generally operate within and recognize rules and regulations, and as it largely depends on local elites for decision-making, it can often be captured by vested and powerful local interests. By supporting and reactivating formal village courts, the project is helping to secure equitable justice outcomes for rural people. The project is building the skills and capacity of a range of people involved in rural justice, from Union Parishad members and local representatives, to village police, to village court judges and staff. It is also forging strong local partnerships with NGOs working in the justice sector at this local level. Another key element centers on increasing awareness of communities on the local justice system, promoting basic human rights, and the power that they have to resolve justice disputes at the local level in transparent and affordable ways. The results of this approach are twofold. Activating village courts is reducing the burden of cases at local police stations and releasing some of the pressure on the higher justice system. It is also providing local people with more realistic justice options. The approach is also helping to strengthen communities. The skills and training imparted to local representatives is helping local government institutions and has a follow-on effect into other vital services. The alternative dispute resolution methods employed by the court are having a positive impact on communities themselves by bringing them together to find local, practical solutions for local-level disputes.